In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add image extensions in Google Ads. Image extensions can greatly enhance your ads by providing visual appeal and increasing the likelihood of user engagement. So let's dive right into the process. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Google Ads website. As you arrive on the homepage, look towards the top right corner where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on this button to enter your login credentials. This will take you directly to the Google Ads home dashboard. Once you're signed in and on the Google Ads homepage, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you will see a Tools icon, usually shaped like a wrench or gear. A click on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, locate and select Planning. Though it may seem unrelated initially, accessing the planning tools will guide us towards our desired destination in a series of straightforward steps. After you select Planning, proceed to find and click on Shared Library. It's within this section that all your ad assets and extensions are managed. Under the Shared Library, you will notice another option called Asset Library. This is the specific area we need to access in order to add new visual elements to our ads. With the Asset Library now open, you'll be greeted with a button labelled New, positioned towards the top of the section. Click on this button to begin the process of adding your new assets. Another drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Upload. This is where you can add various image files from your local drive to your Google Ads account. An upload window should now appear. Ensure to choose images and videos as our primary focus. Here is the image extensions. You can then either drag and drop the files directly into the upload area or click to browse through your computer's file system to select the images you'd like to upload. Once your images are selected, upload them by clicking the confirmation or upload button, usually located at the bottom of the file selection interface. It's important to ensure these images align with Google's advertising policies and format requirements, which will help avoid any potential issues or rejections. After successfully uploading your images, they will be readily available to be used as image extensions in your ad campaigns. Simply incorporate them into your ad structure as needed to take full advantage of the added visual elements. And there you have it, you've now successfully added image extensions to your Google Ads account. This small but impactful change can significantly increase the effectiveness of your online advertising efforts. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful.